Good morning and Sairam. In previous video we have finished our force and pressure chapter. Now in this video I am going to read some activity based on force and pressure which you can easily perform at your home. This is clear? So basically in this video I will read some activities based on force and pressure. Clear? So let us start with the activity first. The aim of this activity is you have to study the effect of force of an object. What is the aim? In this aim you have to study the effect of force of an object. Clear? Let us two students pull a trolley in the same direction. Then let only one student pull the trolley one direction. First is in figure A, second is in figure B. Now, in which case does the trolley move more distance? Tell me fast. In first. Why? Because here the force applied is more. If the force applied is more, then the distance covered by the object is more. Is this clear? Now, next, the both students pull the trolley in opposite direction. In which direction the trolley move? Discuss why. In this, the trolley will not move. Why? Because if he apply 5 Newton force and he apply 5 Newton force, the force is equal. The trolley will remain at the same position. Clear? But when this this student will apply more force, for example 7 Newton or 9 Newton, and this apply 4 Newton. So this trolley will move this side. Why? Because the force applied by this student is more. Is this clear? The third condition is this. If this applied 9 Newton or this applied 4 Newton, so in this case this trolley will move this side. Is this clear? So the direction of moving the trolleys depend upon the amount of force applied by the different students. Is this clear? If they applied equal force, in that case the trolley will not move any of the side. Clear? Now second one, to study the effect of force on different object. To study the effect of force on different objects. Take some dough used to make chapatis, or take rubber band. Apply force to change the shape in a different ways, and this thing you can easily do it. So with this you can say that if you will apply force to an object, you can change the shape of any object. Next, take a car or a cricket ball. Apply force on them, trying to change its shape. It is possible? No, because that body is rigid. So it is not compulsory that by applying force you can change the shape of any object. Clear? So force has different effects on different bodies. Clear? So these two are activities based on the effect of force. With this we can conclude that with the help of force we can change many things in an object, but it is not compulsory that all objects show the same effects. Clear? We have done in activity 2 like with the help of force we can change the shape of rubber. Clear? But with the same amount of force we cannot change the shape of a car, a shape of a tree. Is this clear? So force shows different effects in different body. So just do this quiz. To move a body or stop a moving body, you have to apply force. Is it true or false? Is it true? The unit of force is joule. Tell me fast. No. The unit of force is, what is the unit of force? Yes, it is Newton. Force is a pull or push and act on a body, change its motion of rest or motion. Yes, true. If two force act on an object in opposite direction, the resultant is the sum of the both of the force. Yes, true. Force are due to interaction between the object and the applied force. Yes, true. So, uh, this is your quick recall. Clear? Now, the third activity is to study the effect of magnet on different material. For this is what is our aim. We have to check the effect of magnet on different materials. Effect of magnet on different material. Take a magnet. What you have to do, you have to take a magnet and materials made of iron, cobalt, wood, plastic. You have to take different materials, okay, made up of different elements. Bring a magnet near these objects one by one. Observe the ones that get attached toward the magnet. Next, get another magnet and bring it close to the first magnet. Identify the north and south poles of the magnet. If you will if the both poles are north, they will not attract each other, they will repel each other, and north and south poles attract each other. Is this clear? So with this activity, what you are able to study, you are able to study the effect of magnet on different materials. Is this clear? Effect of magnet on a different materials. Take a magnet, materials made of iron, cobalt, wood, plastic. Bring a magnet near these objects one by one. Observe the ones that get attracted towards a magnet. Next, get another object one next take the another magnet and bring close to the first magnet. Identify the north and south pole of this magnet, keeping in mind that like poles repel and unlike poles attract each other. Clear? Now activity fourth. Now activity fourth. To see the effect of electrostatic force. Now what is our aim? Our aim is we have to see the effect of electrostatic force. For this you have to take a plastic scale and rub it on a dry hair 8 to 10 times. Now the scale gets charged. Now place tiny pieces of paper on a table and bring the charged plastic scale near the piece of paper. The piece of paper get attracted to the scale due to electrostatic force exerted by the scale without touching the piece of paper. Is this clear? What is our aim? Our aim is to see the effect of electrostatic force. Take a plastic scale and rub it on a dry hair 8 to 10 times. The scale gets charged. Now place tiny pieces of a paper on a table and bring the charged plastic scale near these pieces of paper. The pieces of paper get attracted to the scale due to electrostatic force exerted by the scale without touching the piece of paper. Is this clear? Activity 6. To show the pressure depend on area of contact. To show the pressure depends on area of contact. Take two nails of the same size. Take two nails of the same size. One pointed and other blunt. Clear? One should be pointed and one should not sharp. Take a wooden block and hammer. Hammer the head of each nail into the wooden block with the same force. Which nail piece into the wood more easily? The sharp one, because the area is small, but because the force applied to the lesser area as compared to the blunt tip. So if the area is less, the force which you applied is more as compared to the with the area with the larger area. Clear? Now the next one is you have to show the presence of atmospheric pressure. You have to show the presence of atmospheric pressure. For this, what you have to do, you have to take a tumbler, glass tumbler, fill it with the water, okay, up to its brim. Take a cardboard sheet like this, covered it. Clear? Now place your hand over the cardboard and quickly invert it like this. And now remove your hand. What you will see, the water will not fall. Why? Because the atmospheric pressure is more as compared to the water pressure. Is this clear? I am reading this once more. Listen carefully. Take a glass tumbler and fill it with water up to its brim. Take a cardboard sheet and place it over the mouth of the tumbler. Place your hand over the cardboard and quickly invert the tumbler. Now slowly remove your hand that supports the cardboard sheet. You will observe that the cardboard sheet does not fall because the atmospheric pressure on the cardboard is much more than the pressure exerted by the water on it. Clear? The last activity is you have to show that pressure at any point under a liquid is because of the weight of the liquid column above the point. For this, you have to take a bucket full of water. Try to push a balloon filled with the air down into water. The balloon resists push into the water because force exerted by the water on the balloon is much more than the force exerted by you. Thus, the upward force of water resists the downward movement of the balloon. That's why it will come up. So these are the some activities which you can perform at home, and you can really observe the aim of you can really observe the notified change. Clear? So please try to do this activity at your home. Thank you and Sairam.